go for Chu. With Matilda. Inside pass. Lee. What it is. Chu. Kick up. Lee. Hold check him. Chu. Inside pass. Lee. 9 points now for Singapore. Basket. Hands up to Chu. From clearance possession. Chu on the tech ball. Quick. Drives. Basketball. Chu from right wings. Drives. Bring in the middle. Get on the ball with Matilda. 30 points Singapore. Chu from the right slot. Fires. Big. Chu. Drives. Ibalasha. Up and under. First basket for Indonesia. 3 points now for Indonesia. Chu for layup. Lee. Chu from the top. On base up. 4 points now for Indonesia. Answer Russia. 2 points field goal. 6 points now for Indonesia. Chu. Still with Chu. Inside pass. Lee. Chu on rebound. Put back it up. Rebound to Lee. Chu. Back from the top. Inside shot clock. His cross. Six-second shot clock. Chu from left corner. Ball pick. Inside Gibbs. It's New Zealand. Left wings. Chu drive. Pass. Jones. Ball pick. Chu from behind the arc. Second shot clock. Chu. Points now for New Zealand. Chu. Jump step. Inside. Rebound again. Check ball for Chu. Inside. Lee. From the top. Rebound again. Pull up. Lee. And off to Chu. Inside pass. Eye for back. Rebound on Lee. Drive for Chu. Lays up for points field goal. Indonesia 12 points now. Pass back from clear possession. Chu. Inside pass. Strong. Follow up. Chu. 4 seconds shot clock to go. Basketball. 17 points Indonesia. Chu for the win. 3 points Philippines. Chu with Alaman. Straight on 1 point, 7 points now for Philippines. Lee to Chu. Philippines. Chu, first game. Chu inside Lee. 17 points Philippines. Chu, from low post, inside pass, Chu! Against Eastville, Chu! Basket! Go for you. Inside jump, straight for the basket. Step back. Chu from the top, basketball. Lee kick up to Chu from left wing. Samis with the intercept Chu. Inside Lee. Chu. Lee. Back to Chu from the top. Pick to King from the right wings with Chu. Richard needs to go. Chu against teams. Chu. Basketball with Jones. Chu. Right corner. Put back Chu puts it in. 3-point lead to Chu.